back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. Today we are doing a haul which is very different than what I usually do or what usually people do. So I thought why not to share with you all some amazing Instagram stores that who all provide affordable clothing items, and I have personally bought from them since the last 3 to 4 years because my sister suggested me, because as per the quality they are not bad, as per the pricing they are not bad. It also comes under the range that I usually bought from. So this is basically a video dedicated for all the stores that are running on Instagram. More than half of them are usually giving you clothes that are brand new. They are just using the word thrift because that's what the trend is right now. I was literally surprised when I first got the product from them because the quality was very good. So some of the products I've got for myself and some of the products that my sister has got, I will be showing you guys that one in this video. I will add a page name over here only with their respective Instagram username, so you guys can just literally search them and just go to the Instagram to buy about all the information related to the size and how you can book them, how you can get them delivered on time without any fraud and everything. I'll let you know at the end of this video, so just keep watching it and I'll show you one of the most amazing pieces that I've got. Let's start with one of the best thing I've ever got from them. So I personally have bought like lot of pants from these stores. Let me show you all with the pants. That is one of the best one. I wore it like more than 10 times till now since 3 years, and even my friend has bought that from me. So this is the pant that I'm talking about. It is like a very long pant. It has like right measurement of my waist as well, and this I got for somewhere around 550, which is not an expensive thing. You will see me wearing this pant over here only, so you can just literally get an idea how amazing this looks. It's very long, so it actually makes you look long as well. I still wore it like too many times. It's also very comfortable. The cloth is amazing. So this one I basically got from the store called This and That store. Some of the products I remember that from where I got them, but some of the products I literally forgot, so I will add all the pages. Next pant that I've got is this one, which I got I think last year only. I got this pant. So this pant is very good in color and I wanted something like light pastel color, so that's why I've got this one. It also looks amazing with your kurta sets and everything. This one I think I've got from here. Oh, I'm damn sure I got this from Here We Go Thrift. This particular store I absolutely love it because I've also got a skirt from them. Let me show you all that. This is basically a skirt that I got like this year only. Again, I've ordered it from the same store. It has got like a side slit. You can see it here in the video, and I wore it like I think thrice. I think till now I wore it like 3 times, and I'm in love with this because the material is absolutely comfortable. It has also got that material which you really wear in winters, but it is not uncomfortable at all. Then I've got another pant. So we have got like another pant. This is like a proper black normal pant, and it has got that material also which you usually which you usually wear when you are at your office or for the work purpose. This has got that vibe, but I have also wore it for birthdays because this looks very stylish. This one I think I've got from the brand called All Things Ruthie, and they have actually closed because of some issue. Their page still has items listed, but they have stopped operating due to some reasons. Now let's get in with some okay, I also got one denim from, I think that this I got last year, and I feel like getting like a proper denim cloth is so difficult in a good price. So this is the denim. The moment I wore it, I was like, it's been the longest time since I've wore like a proper denim cloth jeans, and it was just for rupees 550 or something, the same range in which I got. It is a straight fit pants, and this one I remember it properly. This one is from the page called Thrift by Jew. I will add their page and you can just search on your search it on your Instagram. You can find it over there. Also, let me give you all a disclaimer that all these products that I'm showing you right now, you won't get like a very similar you won't get like the exact product, but you will get the exact same collection that is available on the Instagram page. So pants you will find You will find denims with your right size and whatever that fits you, and the colors in the pants you might find. But now that we are starting with top and dresses, I will just wanted to give you like an idea that you won't get the exact dress or exact top, but you will get a similar patterns and the types of clothes. So first we have this top. This is a very cute top. So this one is bought by my sister, but I don't think she has hardly wore it. It's a very cute crop top kind of a thing. So it's very deep, so it's not ideal for me. But there's a store called rainbowstore.in on Instagram. Oh my god, they've been selling products which are so beautiful, so cutesy, so aesthetic, and so Pinteresty vibe. You will get over there. But the products, I believe, are little expensive. So I have not bought anything from there because I have a heavy chest. I cannot always wear a crop top, so I usually don't go for it. But my sister has bought it and she told me that the items are really good over here. And this is like a very beige kind of a top with very amazing material. Yeah, this is another top that I got, and about this top I hardly remember where I got from. I think this was around 3 years ago or something. I've not really wore it, but it has got this amazing back. I really love the halter neck pattern on this top, and this one, it has got like side cutouts. You will see it over here only properly. But the fact is, I don't remember the pricing, but it has to be affordable clothing. 2021, they have some good stuff. Brand called Nith Clothing. I will add the username here. They have got the best top. I think every item that they have posted, I really in love with this one particular top my sister has bought, and I even asked her where she got that from. She told me about this particular thrift store, and I was like, all the things that they are selling starts from a range of I think 450 or something, and the clothes are very good. And we have this particular dress. I have not seen a dress this perfect. It has got like a very glittery work. This has again bought by my sister. I hardly got any dresses from these places, but she told me that she got it from this place called I think Trendy Treasure. This is one of the oldest thrift shop that she told me about, and I've also checked out their collection. It was the range was around 700-800 for dresses, and I think it goes above as well. But this particular dress is basically a bodycon one, and it fits very good. Next dress that I have is this black one. This is like a proper black dress, which is so good because my sister bought it. It's her size. This I actually don't remember from where I bought this one. But I think this has to be somewhere related to a place called Posh Past. So my sister has ordered like a lot. There is this one product that she has got, but she didn't check the measurement properly, and she thought it will fit her, but it didn't fit her. But the dress is so good. I cannot stop watching this dress. Fit her perfectly, and to me it doesn't fit at all. It's like very small in the bust area. It's very small at the bust area, but it has got that leathery and very comfortable vibes. Why doesn't it fit it? The material is so good. Look, there was this one particular trend that we have in 2021 of bucket bag. If you guys remember that. Since then only they are so in, and we've got like so many variants in them. But the super early trend of bucket bag was of this beige bags. So this I got from a store which is again stopped working. So I will they have literally shut down their Instagram page also, but I've got this one for just rupees 350. This is such an amazing bag. Just look at this. It was like the first pattern that got in trend, and today we have like so many options available in them. So we usually get them in like a very affordable range as well. So that has been all the products that I've got from thrift stores, and I wanted to promote it. So these are the stores. These are the 10 stores that I'm suggesting you all that you can shop from. If you want to shop pants, denim skirts, cotton skirts, then we have Thrift Crazy. Here we go thrift. We have this and that store. We have Thrift by Jew. So these are basically for all the bottom items that you can get. If you want to go in with top, then I will suggest you guys Posh Past. We have rainbowstore.in. Then we have Affordable Clothing 2021. We have Nith Clothing, and we have Trendy Treasure. So let me tell you all about how you choose the products. The process that I know and I've been aware about all these pages that has been common is, once they put out all the clothes, they want you to check the description or the image which has all the measurements, which is like your bust size, your waist size, or the length of the pant. So all these things you have to check, and if that matches your measurement, then only you can book. Then you can just comment book, BOOK book. I think usually every page has that system only, where you have to comment book, and then they'll ask for all the information, which is your address, name, phone number, and the total amount that you have to pay, which also includes the shipping charges. So all these things you have to check, and if that matches your measurement, then only you can book. In terms of the return process, many of these pages don't do that, but if you want to do it, then you should take a video of the product once you have received it, so that if there is any defect, you can just clarify with the pages immediately. That's how you do it. It's the most easiest way. You have to just trust the brands that I've told you about has been trustable. I've already got them, and you always get them delivered. Lastly, you get the tracking ID from India Post or from a different delivery service. These pages also come up with the sale, so you will get items at a very good discounted rates that is free of shipping. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have watched it till here, because this video takes a lot to prepare, this is something different that I'm doing. I feel like it's a very sustainable way. Thrifted items are basically not always thrifted. Suppose if a brand is from Delhi, they might be getting their products from Sarojini Market or some other market, and just adding up and just making the price of the product double and selling it to you. So only their name has thrift in it, but they're actually new. So you guys can get that in affordable way. This video I wanted to make because I always share the affordable things that I do, whether the affordable products that I bought, whether that is clothing, makeup, or anything. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. If you watched it till here, just like the video and let me know which product has been your favorite. Bye.